Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into the exciting world of SwiftUI. We'll be exploring layout and stacks, more specifically HStack, VStack and ZStack. In SwiftUI, stacks are an essential part of creating well-organized and visually appealing user interfaces. Now let's shift our focus to VStack, the vertical stack. If you need to stack views vertically, such as in a column, VStack is your go-to. Let me show you how to implement it in your SwiftUI project. In SwiftUI, you have control over how views are aligned within a stack and the spacing between them. Whether you want your views centered or leading aligned, SwiftUI makes it easy. Let's dive into the code and explore some alignment and spacing options. First, in HStack, the horizontal stack, with HStack, views are arranged from left to right, is perfect for laying out elements side by side. Now let's hop into Xcode and I'll show you how to implement an HStack in SwiftUI. Last but not least, we have ZStack, the layered stack. ZStack allows you to layer views on top of each other, creating visually stunning effects. Ready to see it in action? Let's dive into the code. And there you have it, an introduction to HStack, VStack, and ZStack in SwiftUI. We've covered the basics of arranging views horizontally, vertically, and in layers. Experiment with alignment and spacing to fine-tune your layouts.